2, go.
Hey guys, this is Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym, and today I'm going to talk to you about an exercise very similar to our dumbbell iron cross walk, so you're going to want to refer back to that video for a little bit more information. This is called a dumbbell zombie walk, okay? Now on your dumbbell zombie walk, instead of starting by going into a lateral raise, you're going to start this exercise by going into a front raise, okay? So think every zombie movie that you've ever seen, that's what we're having everybody imitate when we do this exercise, okay? Now as far as the timing or the distance goes, on your workouts it's either going to say something like 30 seconds, so it's going to be a time set for that exercise, or it's going to say something like one trip, which is going to be either down the floor or down and back, whatever makes it fairly challenging for your clients, okay? So when I start, from here, I'm going to bring my dumbbells in front of my legs. I'm going to start by going into a front raise, and I'm going to hold that position. Now, coaching cue for you in this one. Don't let your clients lean back as they're performing it, especially as their front delts get tired, okay? Make sure that they lighten the weights if they need to instead. I'm going to bring those dumbbells up into a front raise position, pronated hands on these, and I'm going to walk forward, keeping my core tight, keeping my shoulders straight and upright, keeping good posture the entire time. Set those dumbbells down, bring them back up, and then come back the other way, right like so. If I get too tired, I can drop one dumbbell and hold the other dumbbell at the ends to finish out that exercise. That's a helpful regression for you in case you need it, okay? Anyway, guys, give those coaching cues a try the next time we do dumbbell zombie walks in one of our workouts.